everyone. Today we are going to have a lovely lesson about three magical words. Imagine yourself, you enter a cafe or your office, and suddenly you grab everyone's attention with something you say that is magical and very polite in British culture. So we have these words over here on the board. If you can see, these are three magical words. Let's see what they are, and we use it every day in this British culture. For instance, cheers, when we use cheers, like whenever we are offered with something or any help or assistance is provided, we say shukriya, thank you. So shukriya or thank you are same as cheers. So when you want to say someone thank you can easily say cheers, and that gives a very good impression. And the next word is ta. Ta is also an expression of thank you or gratitude, and it's a very informal word. It is normally used in informal settings. Like अगर आप घर में बैठे हैं या किसी फ्रेंड्स वगैरह के साथ बैठे हैं तो आप आराम से ये वर्ड यूज कर सकते हैं, but not in office setting, not in professional setting. In a formal setting it is not appropriate to use this word. And last word, lovely. Lovely means बहुत अच्छा, ग्रेट, शानदार. आपने किसी को अप्रिशिएट करना है तो ये lovely is commonly used in British culture, and all of these words have their own particular kind of warmth and connotation related to it. So whichever word you use, they are magical in their way, and the only thing you have to do is you have to show your natural warmth, your energy, and a big smile on your face, and that will do the magic. Thank you so much. Hope to see you in the next lesson.